Welcome back to another edition of UFOs Above Us. Today we're going to look at another structure on the moon. This structure is the big crater just to the right and at the top of the screen making its way down. Alright, so three things about this crater that are unusual to me. First off is the crater itself. It's a very large crater, but it's very, very shallow and very smooth on the surface of the crater, which is odd to me. It doesn't cast any shadow around the rim. The second thing is this weird structure that looks kind of like a letter X on the left-hand side of the crater. And then the third one, and the biggest one in my view, is the big structure on the right-hand side that probably sticks up about a mile and swings out over the surface of the crater with a big circular head at the top of it. So those are the three things we want to look at. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's talk about the crater itself first. A true crater, why would it be so shallow and so smooth at the bottom of it? It almost looks like it's been graded. You know, if when you travel out in West Texas, you see all of these croplands that are big circles because they're irrigated, and they have a really fine circular appearance. I just wonder if maybe this is some kind of terraforming on the moon, and that big structure could be some kind of a head that waters or provides sunlight or nutrients for something. Maybe they're trying to grow something on the surface of the moon. I just don't know. But I will say that the big X is equally unusual. Clearly, it's not naturally occurring. It's a big arched X-shaped structure. So what does it do? I have no idea. But I want to focus on that big object on the right hand side. It kind of looks like a shower head to me. Goes up and swings out over the surface of the moon. So what is it? What is it doing? And all I can say is that it's huge. I mean, it's a massive structure. Clearly, it's not naturally occurring. In fact, if you look closely at it, you can even make out there's something white going down towards the bottom of that crater. I don't know if it's water being sprayed down or a laser beam or some kind of a particle beam. Maybe it's used to superheat the soil, vitrify it for some reason. Maybe it's used to grow crops. Maybe it's used to recover minerals. You know, back in the old days of the United States, prospectors recovered gold by spraying chemicals on soil and leaching it out. So maybe it's doing something like that. I just don't know. But what I do know, these are all signs of an intelligent design. The fact is, there are structures on the moon. We just need to accept that. So I hope you're enjoying the videos. Again, like and comment and keep watching the skies.